lots of maybe companies that we already supply as Polar Ice, lots of logistics companies, food companies that are already on our customer books. It's great to reconnect with them, and the footfall is increasing here now. We've got lots of genuine inquiries.
Good. We've got a few contacts from it already, so yeah, we're quite happy with it, and we come to the one in January as well, the logistics and manufacturing event, so we're looking forward to that as well.
We've had a lot of good inquiries and a lot of we're the only company, a manufacturing company here at the exhibition this year, which a lot of potential clients are interested in.
It's our second time here actually at the event, and we also participate in the other manufacturing event which is run in January. Excellent events, always a very high calibre of attendee at it, and we like to, it's great, it strengthens our brand as well to be here.